दोस्तों, आज मैं एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक लेकर आया हूं जिसकी चर्चा पेरेंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स में बहुत ज़्यादा है। वह है आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट। CBSE has sent the circular in every school. Students should make the art integrated project. How to make art integrated project, that I am going to explain in this video. आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट आपको कैसे बनाना है, वो भी डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स का। तो आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट का सबसे पहले आपको एम मालूम होना चाहिए। व्हाट इज द एम ऑफ आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट? आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स एम इज दैट मेक द टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग easier. Make the teaching and learning easier, also relate with our culture and heritage. Relate with everyday life. You will learn by making this project. So it is very nice and it is not difficult. Also CBSE said make easy and doable. It should be doable and easy. Also it should be eco-friendly. You should not use any material which is not eco-friendly. So I am going to explain how to make the project. You have to take A4 size papers. First page. First. Enemy friend is not an option now. We all listen now, we go dance and start. Sing Salavina Page number 1. Heading will be art integrated project. Then subject also you can write. Suppose that you are making mathematics project, then write mathematics. In page number 1 you have to write your information. Your information means students information, their name, class, section, roll number and teacher's name also you can write, to whom you have to submit it. So this will be in page number 1, students information. Then in page number 2, introduction. Introduction, the state you have chosen. The state you have to choose any of one of the states of India. Then you write the state name. Suppose that you have taken Sikkim, then write Sikkim and write about Sikkim. Their location, where it is located in India, what is its area, population, their heritage, culture, monuments, dance form, all that you have to describe in page number 2. If one page is not enough, then you can take one more page. Then in next page, maybe page number 3, page number 3 or 4, there you have to paste pictures related to the state. Which state you have taken? You have taken Sikkim, then Sikkim's pictures you have to paste. Also drawing can be done. If you are good in drawing, then you draw by yourself. In drawing, color combination and all should be kept in mind. You have to make color combination nicely. It should be attractive. So that will be in page number 3. If one page is not enough, then you can paste in 2 pages or in 3 pages also. Then out of that you have to see it carefully where you can get the mathematical figure. In their art and culture and heritage, where you are, suppose that you have taken any monument from that state, their pillars are there. So you can write there I observe that the mathematical figures are the cylinder. If cone is there, cone. If the dome of the building is there, then hemisphere. Some circles. If the pictures are there, circular pictures are drawn, or any paintings are there, then you can write the circle is there, lines are there, angles are there. All that you have to describe. Then for more, you can write some data about that. You can collect the data from internet, like population of Sikkim. Population of Sikkim, then write population of India and find the ratio of that. Population of Sikkim to the population of India. Also you can find the percentage of people literate and illiterate. Also you can find the data about the food they like, types of food they like, then you can draw the pie chart. Also you can draw bar graph of it. So this way you can relate with the subject. This is of mathematics. Also you can use, like in the dance form, they use their dresses, whatever the lungi or their skirts, all that, the what is the circumference of that, how many meters of cloth required, all that you can find. So this will be the mathematics project, art integrated project of mathematics. If you are the higher class student, then any tower is there, then you can find the height of the tower with the help of trigonometry. So general idea I have given to you, because I was getting so many comments that please make one video on art integrated projects. So I have made it, otherwise I could collect data and I could make it for you. So by this information I hope you will be able to make the project. Then after doing all that mathematical, then in the last page you have to write the report about this project, means how many students involved in it, then sources from where you got information. You can write internet, and through internet or book's name, then which website or link you have used, you have to write about that. And with the student's name you have to write their work also, what type of work is done by the student to make the project. In short it should be written, not in detail, but short also, we should be able to understand, and you all that you make in one file. So I hope you have understood it. Thank you. Have a great day.